Welcome to Programming Workshop, My Calculator Part 2. In our last tutorial, I have described you some basic design that we are going to build for my calculator. It's time for our code work. So let's get started. I'm get I'm first using addition. So to code for addition, you just right click on it, then event action performed. Here it is. Now we have to create integer variable for text field 1 and 2. I show you, just follow it. Let I explain you what I have done in this. I have created an integer variable and assign it num1. It will get integer value from our text field 1, that is t1. For doing this, we have to equate our value of num1 to integer.parseInt to convert the t1.getText, that is a string value, into integer value. Same for the text field 2. I have created a variable num2, then convert a string value into integer value. Then I have printed the output for addition in our text area, that we have defined ta1 and dot set text. This is used to set the text in the text area. Then I have inserted a string. The sum of num1 and num2 is num1 plus num2. Here double inverted comma indicates that we are assigning a string value in it, and plus indicate that we are concatenating the strings, different strings, simply adding the strings. So for checking our addition, just click on run, then run file, or you can use shift plus F6 to run your file. Just assign any value of your choice, 80 plus 100, and just click on plus. It will automatically sum both the num1 and num2 and give an output 180. That's all. We have no error in our code. Let's jump to subtraction, that is minus. Same for subtraction, just select it, then right click, event, action performed event, and then create again variable, integer variable. Just copy it and paste here. Same. Instead of addition, you just type num2 minus num1. It will subtract num2 minus num1, and types, instead of sum, type subtract. This is the code for subtraction. No change. The change is made only for minus and the subtract. Just go to run and then run file. Assign value 20 minus 10. Just click on minus. You will got your answer 10. Instead of this, instead of subtracting from num2 minus num1, we can assign conditional statement here that will judge automatically which number is greater, whether it is num1 or num2. For to doing this, first of all we have to make this line as comment by adding s forward slash, then asterisk, then for ending asterisk and forward slash. Okay, let's talk about what we have done in this. We have used a conditional statement, that is if statement and else statement. If num1 is greater than num2, then we are going to this method. We are subtracting from num1, and if num1 is not greater than num2, then we are going in else condition. Then we are subtracting from num2. We can see this. Just run the. For checking our code correctness, we have to run our file. Just type any value of a choice. 100 minus 1, that will give you 99. Instead of 1, we can type 1000 here, and then click on minus, that will give 900. Okay, this shows that our code is working correctly. Now we have completed our addition and subtraction. Let's look toward multiplication. Right click on it, event, action performed event. For this we also have to copy the same and paste. Copy the syntax for text area and paste it. Instead of subtraction, type the multiplication of num1 and num2 is num1 asterisk num2 asterisk used for multiplication. That's it for our multiplication. We can run our file. 0 into 0 is obviously 0. 1 into 0 is obviously again 0, but 1 into 9 gives you 9. Okay, our multiplication is also correct. Now we have to move on to division. Just right click on it, event action, and action performed event. Copy the same integer values and copy for our output message for text area. For division we are also using conditional statement, if and else statement, so see it. Our division is now over. We can run our file. Just type any value, 1000, and here 2 divided, got answer 500. Any other value, 800 divided by 2, 400 the answer. And now we have left with our clear button. For clearing, clear button will clear text field 1 and text field 2 and text area. Assign text field 1 0 value, text field 2 0 value, and in text area blank. So for the select it and then right click event action, action performed event, and type as it is what I am typing. Here I have assigned text field 1 value 0, text field 2 0, and text area and void value. Double quotes have used to convert 0, that is an integer, into a string for our text field. Same for text area. Now we have to run our file. type 458 and then add it and then clear it. It will terminate to its original situation. Okay, this is how we can build a calculator using Java. Keep watching our tutorial. Goodbye, and we will bring you some better technique for our next tutorial. Keep join to our community. If you have any doubt, you can comment us or you can email us for other type of query. And if you want to do any kind of work of your choice, you can email us at spss.tools.pro@gmail.com. Goodbye.